my name is Zack Kouns, and I'm standing in an overgrown Appalachian meadow, braving ticks and chiggers in pursuit of the alluring, intoxicating Monarda fistulosa, colloquially referred to as either Wild Bergamot or Bee Balm, making reference to the bumblebees and many other bees that are attracted to it. Monarda fistulosa has a square stem, which places in the Lamiaceae family or mint family. It has opposite leaves that are toothed along the margin and are on short stalks. It grows anywhere from 3 to 5 feet tall, and it flowers in May to August depending on your zone. It likes full sun and just general grassland habitats. The leaves have a high thymol content, which is a strong antiseptic, also found in, you guessed it, thyme. So it's used for colds, flu, upper respiratory problems, fever, and persistent coughing. It can also be used topically for wounds. Gathered before me are the very simple ingredients necessary to create a wild bergamot oil. I like to put it on salad dressings. It's also really excellent if you have a cut or something like that. It can help stop bleeding. So it's a very simple process. Let's begin. Oil is a really excellent solvent to draw out the medicinal aspects of the plant. And then you can use it in a number of different ways. You can use it either to you can use it culinarily, or you can use it topically, or you can ingest it if you want. I can't really imagine myself slurping down a bunch of oil, but everybody's got their own taste, I suppose. So from here, I'm going to put this in a cabinet, and I'm going to let it sit for about 6 weeks so that the flavors and the medicinal aspects begin to penetrate the oil so that this becomes a very powerful medicine, but also something that's extremely flavorful and something that's delicate and precious culinarily. So in the course of a very pleasant afternoon, I've gathered and prepared a wild bergamot oil. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you've learned something. And if you've learned something, I do hope that you'll share it with your neighbor. I hope you share it with your friend. I hope you share it with your coworker. I hope you share it with your partner, your mother, your father, and most importantly, your children. Thank you so much for joining us.